So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about exactly how the ROI roadmap works for home interior design companies working with Get Move projects. So exactly how the step-by-step process looks like, how we able to bring them a really good ROI, how we able to help you to scale your home interior design company to the next level that nobody can help you to do in the market. So now let me walk you through the whole process, step by step, how the things work. So the ROI roadmap is we start with the investment cost of at least 5 lakh rupees. When we start with our minimum gain that we are expecting is additional revenue of 2.5 crore rupees with a net profit of 20 to 25 lakh. If we have a 10% profit margin, which is a really healthy profit margin in home interior design space. So investment is we are spending around 5 lakh rupees. Additional gains is at least 2.5 crore rupees in revenue with a net profit of 2 to 25 lakh, 20 to 25 lakh rupees. And the ROI calculation looks like this. Like 20 lakhs of ROI we have got. The investment we have did is 5 lakh rupees multiply by 100. So 400% return on investment. For every rupee you spend or invest, the client and our interior designers have gained 4 rupees, showing the significant ROI of 400%, showing you the success through our system and process. So let me show you how the whole process looks like. The step one is the onboarding, where we onboard you, where we'll need all the basic details, technical details, some softwares, ad manager, company pages, profiles, etc., that we can help them to build a really good digital assets and help you to scale. Step two is building out a whole system. In next 7 to 10 days, once we onboard you, we'll build out the whole Get More project system for you that brings quality clients on automation every single month. Step three is lead generation and lead calling. I would recommend you to having a really good in-house telecaller who can call all the leads, set appointments for you in next 2 to 3 days. 7 to 10 days, we'll build out the whole system. We'll start generating leads. In next 2 to 3 days, we'll start getting leads. That's how the fast system is. Right after onboarding, right after we go live with your campaigns, with your marketing, we'll start getting leads, and your telecaller will start setting up the site visits, office visits, or appointments for your interior design company. Third thing is now you are going for appointments. Now you are sharing them quotation. You are doing design meeting. You are doing quotation meeting, understanding client's requirement. And in next 7 to 10 days, you will start getting more appointments. Majorly home interior design in this space. Appointments happen majorly on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. So you can reserve your Saturdays and Sundays only for sales purpose, and rest of the day you can focus on operations for now. Next step by, that's where the really good thing happens. Cash flow start coming in after 30 days, because the 30 days is the minimum sales ratio or a minimum decision making process it takes once you give them a quotation. Some people sign up immediately, some people take 7 days, 20 days, but maximum we can take 30 days of turnaround time from the client. So after 30 days, at this point you will start getting RO. Your leads and appointment will start converting into clients. You will start getting deposits. Now you will start focusing on their delivery, their operations, and their handovers. Step 6 is scaling. Now we need to stay consistent with the consistent lead flow, consistent appointment setting, and consistent closing, and scale to the next level. Now the step 7 is repeating this whole first 6 process every single month thoroughly, with full of motivation and full of 100, giving your 100%. Step 8 is scaling beyond to 1 crore per month. Now we have already did, let's say we did for 3 months. 3 months we hit a revenue of 2.5 CR. Now we want to hit minimum 1 CR every single month or beyond that. Now we'll hire more telecallers, more people to close, because you alone will not able to close at the level that you want to scale to the next level. Now you will need more salespeople, you need more telecaller, you need more people in operations to automate your business. And step 9 is increasing your marketing investment. To go beyond 1 crore, we can't just rely on 5 lakh rupees. Now we need to increase our marketing budget to more than 5 lakh rupees and start getting more leads, more sales. Step 10, that's where your brand building start. Now you are getting a good cash flow, revenues are coming in, leads are coming in, everything is set. Now you can focus your time on little bit PR activities, like getting your company featured in some magazines, or going out for award, buying some awards to get more brand visibility, etc., etc. Step 11, now at this stage you can open a really good experience center in your city, in a really good locality, because now you have an investment, you already doing good revenue. Now you can invest that money in opening a really good experience center. Some of my clients have already opened it, and that looks really amazing, and that give you an extra edge from your competitors in converting more clients, getting more leads, producing more content. And that's when comes that step 12, personal branding. Now here instead of a company brand, now you want to, let's say, scale to 2 crore, 3 crore, 5 crore a month. Now here you will need to start producing a personal brand content where you are going in front of camera, getting trained yourself. Initially it will be a bit hard, but this is where you scale to the next level. The best thing is you can start your own company podcast where you can invite other interior designers across India, discuss design topics, discuss new trends, and scale it to the next level. So I hope you got my point, what exactly I'm trying to say. And this is how the whole process looks like. We'll quickly understand how the ROI works, what amount of money you are investing, what kind of ROI you can get, and how you can actually able to scale and grow your interior design firm to the next level. So majorly we start with minimum 6 month commitment, because to get a really good results in marketing, when you're marketing your interior firm, you're getting into the market and you want to scale, then you really need to have at least next 6 month game plan ready. So the first month you will be generating zero leads, zero design meetings, zero quotation meetings, zero sales prospects, zero closing, zero ad budget will be spending. There will be the only consultancy fees of around 1.5 lakh rupees. So what will be happening in the first month? First month will be focusing on building your base, focusing on building your backend system, creating content, creating ads, creating sequence, creating automations, creating everything in the backend, so that when we'll be going to start in the second month, we'll be have a really good foundation in build. So we don't have any losing ends and we don't lose any single day when we are doing consistent marketing. We don't miss out on anything. So first month we only prioritize on building a really good foundation, building out all system processes, any hiring is involved or anything like that to scale. Second month we'll start with the lead generation. We'll be spending around 1 lakh rupees on ads. Our closing, we can expect around 5 closings with the average project value of 10 lakh rupees. So the second month goal is generating a revenue of 50 lakh rupees. To generate 50 lakh rupees of revenue, we need to generate 300 plus leads. We need to get 50 design meetings. So what I prefer to all my clients is do at least 2 meetings. One is design meeting, second is a quotation meeting. So first is design meeting you're doing, second is a quotation meeting you're doing. Third is a serious prospect, where out of 30 there will be some people, those who are dead serious and want to convert immediately, and out of 25 will convert with an ad budget of 1 lakh rupees, and service fees and consultancy fees will be same 1.5 lakh rupees. So the second month our target is to generate 50 lakh rupees of revenue. Third month our target is to generate 1 crore of revenue. Now what will be happening? The first month 300 leads, out of 305 will convert here, but we still have 295 leads, 45 appointments left, 45 appointments which are not converted, 25 appointments, quotation meetings that are not converted. So we already have a lot of leads in the month 2 that will be utilizing in the month 3, and month 3 will be also generating fresh and new upcoming leads. So second month, out of 10, 5 leads might convert from here, 5 leads might convert from fresh. Same thing happens in the third month. This is how the compounding works. This is how the marketing works. You can't just do marketing for 1 month, 2 months and see the business is getting magic, growing crazy. And when you stop marketing, you are at zero again. Consistent marketing, people should know, aware about your company again and again every single month. It, you should not be going in a market with a presence of like 1 month and you are gone away for whole year. So this is how the whole process looks like. Second one, again, will be spending 1 lakh rupees, around 1.5 lakh rupees is same. Consultancy will be same. Fees will be same for the next 6 months. So 9 lakh rupees is going to be the consultancy fees. 5 lakh rupees is going to be the ad budget we are spending. Total 14 lakh rupees will be investing with a target revenue of 7.5 crore rupees. So this is how the next 6 months look like. Simply, this is the only thing you need to have in your mind. 20 lakh rupees of investment, 7.5 crore of revenue. That's it. This is how the simple math works. And if you really want to scale, if you really want to grow, this is how the whole process looks like. And once you work with us and once you master this system, nothing is as easy than this to scaling your home interior design company. If you want to know more how we can help you, I would recommend you to book a quick 30-minute call where we'll be discussing about top 3 things. First, what your competitors are doing and how we can help you to scale to the next level. Second, how this ROI roadmap can be customized for you so we can implement the same thing for your own business and scale it to the next level. And the third thing, either you can make a decision to work with us, or at the end you are going on with a 30-minute of recorded call. We'll give you the recording of that 30-minute call. With that, you will get so much value in that call. We'll discuss about a lot of things. So these three things you can expect in that 30-minute call: understanding your definitely the competitors, understanding your business to see how we can customize this thing for you, and how you can scale to the next level working with us, or maybe you can apply this whole strategy by own. So thank you so much, and I will see you on another side. Till then, have a good one.